Hi, friends! Today we're going to count from 40 all the way to 50. We'll start at 40 every time and count together. Ready? Let's go! Let's count to 40. Starting at 40. 40. Great start! Let's count to 41. Starting at 40. 40. 41. Awesome job! Let's count to 42. Starting at 40. 40. 41. 42. You're doing amazing. Let's count to 43. Starting at 40. 40. 41. 42. 43. Fantastic work. Let's count to 44. Starting at 40. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. Keep it up, friends. Let's count to 45. Starting at 40. 40. 41. 42. 43, 44, 45. Wow, so good! Let's count to 46, starting at 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. You're amazing! Let's count to 47, starting at 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Yes, you did it! Let's count to 48, starting at 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Incredible counting! Let's count to 49, starting at 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Excellent work, friends! Let's count to 50, starting at 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yay, you did it! Wow, amazing! You counted from 40 all the way to 50. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to count even higher. Great job, friends! I'm so proud of you!